Hey everybody, in this episode we're going to be modifying our brand new LS water pump. I hope you guys enjoy. So here we have our brand new LS water pump. The first modification that we're going to do to it is we're going to remove the two ports on the side of it that go to the heater core. We'll do this by heating them up with a torch and then pulling them out. The next thing that we're going to do is we'll use a tap and we'll tap them with NTP threads for plugs to be put in its place. After getting the top hole tapped, now we can work on tapping the bottom hole. With the plugs now done, now we can work on the next part, which is blocking off the internal bypass. This is the passage that we're going to be bypassing right here. And so we have to block this section up here. We've already plugged the heater outlets on it, so the heat's not going to bypass and come back in and open the thermostat like normal. So we're going to run this without a thermostat. We want all the coolant to come in, go to the pump, and then go to the engine like it's supposed to, and not run through any of this bypass. So to do that, we're going to take in aluminum, and then we're going to cut it to fit in here, and then we're going to tack weld it in place. And we're going to see how that does. Now that we've let that cool down, we can go through and put this back on. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It was kind of a short one where we went through and modified the water pump. Stay tuned for extra episodes coming in the future, and you can also check out these two videos I got linked here.